Hey everyone, here's a quick update on the high elevation Sequoia. This thing was protected during winter with some Christmas lights and plastic wrap. Looking pretty good. Definitely there's some stress shown on it. See some yellowish leaves here and there. Definitely down here we got some brown leaves, but overall it looks pretty good. So it's standing maybe 2.5 feet tall now. So hopefully it's going to kick off and grow a lot more. My second one's over here. Looking pretty good lower. Mostly green. Up top, this top spear. You can see it. That thing definitely was above the protection. I had it stuffed with leaves and I remember checking it once and that was above it. So that definitely, looking close, let's see. That top bud is dead, but I'm thinking it's gonna resprout, maybe right around here. If I'm lucky, maybe up here. We'll see. Probably take a little more time, another month or so. Hopefully we'll see some growth out of it. Well, thanks for watching, everyone.